Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with clean hands and clear light. This avoids debris getting into the mesh. Once ready, hold the AirPod Pro 2 stem steady in one hand and place your thumb and index finger on the silicone base where it joins the plastic shell. Make sure you are gripping the soft base, not the speaker grill. Pull straight outward with a steady, gentle motion. Do not twist wildly. This minimizes stress on the nozzle and prevents tearing the silicone ring. If the tip resists, you use a slight rolling action while pulling. This reduces suction and helps the bead disengage. Once done, keep the nozzle pointed away from your face and maintain firm but gentle pressure for 3 to 5 seconds. Quick yanks can deform the tip. Make sure to never insert a tool or needle. Those can damage the mesh and acoustic filters. If a tip tears, clean the nozzle and replace with a new genuine or compatible tip to maintain fit and sound seal. You reinstall by aligning the inner bead with the nozzle and pressing until you feel or hear a subtle click. This ensures the retaining ring seats properly. Once done, do the ear tip fit test to confirm a seal and correct audio response. If a tip won't come off or is sticky, apply a small amount of 70% isopropyl to a lint-free cloth and gently wipe the base. Then retry. Dissolved grime often frees the ring. Remember, if damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.